Episode 56 CI Forests, Climate and Biomass Working Group, Environmental Paper Network International Mighty Earth USA 350 Eugene USA 350 Triangle USA Abebeens Roma Foundation Ghana Australian Forests and Climate Alliance Australia Biofuel Watch UK/USA Blue Dahlian China Castlemaine Residents Against Biomass Australia Centre for Biological Diversity USA Central California Environmental Justice Network USA Coast Range Association USA Coastal Plain Conservation Group USA Comite Schoon Lucht Clean Air Committee NL Netherlands Community Partners Across the South USA Conservation North Canada Consumers Association of Penang Malaysia De Bomenbond Netherlands De Klimaatquality Netherlands Doctors and Scientists Against Wood Smoke Pollution DSAWSP USA Dogwood Alliance USA Earth Action Incorporated USA Earth Neighborhood Productions USA EARTHDUY.org USA EDSP Eco Netherlands Endangered Species Coalition USA Environment East Gippsland Inc. Australia EPIC Environmental Protection Information Centre USA Federatai Tegen Biomassa Centrales Netherlands Fern EU FIAN Sri Lanka Forest Watch Indonesia Indonesia Forum Ecology and Papier Germany Friends of the Clearwater USA Friends of the Earth US USA Gippsland Environment Group Australia Global Justice Ecology Project USA Great Old Broads for Wilderness Cascade Volcanoes Chapter United States Green Cove Defense Committee USA Green Longjiang China Green Snohomish USA Himalaya Nidyapian India Hunter Knitting Nanas Australia Independent Forestry Monitoring Network JPIK Indonesia John Muir Project USA KOM Telepak Indonesia Kitsap Environmental Coalition USA Landelijk Network Bossen en Bomenbescherming Netherlands Leefmilieu Netherlands Myra Institute Brazil Natural Resources Defense Council USA Nature Nova Scotia Canada NC Climate Solutions Coalition United States No Electricity from Forests Australia Ol Siosiamaga Society Incorporated OLSSI Samoa PACAID Pakistan Partnership for Policy Integrity USA Pivot Point USA PNW Forest Climate Alliance USA Profundo. Netherlands. River Coalition. Czech Republic. Sahabat Alam Malaysia, Friends of the Earth. Malaysia. Save Estonia's Forests, Postim Eesti Metsad. Estonia. Scholar Tree Alliance. China. Snow Alliance. China. Solutions for Our Climate. South Korea. Southeast Region Conservation Alliance, CIRCA. Australia. Southern Environmental Law Center. USA. Spruill Farm Conservation Project. USA. Southern Forests Conservation Coalition. USA. Stand.earth. Canada. Standing Trees. USA. Sunflower Alliance. USA. The Corner House. UK. Thurston Climate Action Team. USA. Trend Asia. Indonesia. Utah Physicians for a Healthy Environment. USA. Wild Nature Institute. USA. Wolf Forest Protection Movement. Slovakia. India, Delhi. High levels of PM 2.5 lowers antibody response to COVID jabs, Daily Pioneer. Daily Pioneer. Now, a study has linked higher levels of toxic particulate matter, PM 2.5, nitrogen dioxide, NO2, and black carbon to lower antibody responses to. Excerpts edited by Rozep for brevity and clarity. Air pollution for long has been linked to adverse health outcomes, including lung cancer, cardiovascular and respiratory disease, and diabetes. Now, a study has linked higher levels of toxic particulate matter, PM 2.5, to lower antibody responses to COVID-19 vaccines. In the journal Environmental Health Perspectives, exposure to fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, was associated with about a 10% fall in IgM and IgG antibody responses in people without prior infection. An IS Global researcher and his team showed an association between pre-pandemic exposure to air pollution and a higher risk of developing severe COVID-19. Air pollutants have been shown to affect immune responses, so in this study we wished to determine whether air pollution also affects antibody responses to COVID-19 vaccines. Data was from 927 participants of the GCAT Genos for Life cohort, aged 40 to 65 years, who answered questionnaires and gave blood samples in the summer of 2020, right after the first lockdown, and in the spring of 2021, after the start of COVID-19 vaccination. All had received 1 or 2 doses of the main COVID-19 vaccines administered in Spain, made by AstraZeneca, Pfizer, or Moderna. The research team measured IgM, IgG, and IgA antibodies to 5 viral antigens, 3 of them on the spike protein contained in the vaccine. Exposure to fine particulate matter was estimated for each participant based on his or her address before the pandemic. Thailand. Hazy on the details, Bangkok Post. Bangkok Post. However, it is unlikely the virtual meeting, which the Prime Minister hosted. The public health crises caused by the fine dust particles, PM 2.5. Chiang Mai people sign a petition to the court for PM 2.5. KSOD English. Chiang Mai people sign a petition to the court for PM 2.5. Law to support the lawsuit filed against Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha. Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar discuss solutions for PM 2.5 pollution, Scandasia. Scandasia. Thailand's Prime Minister General Prayut Chan-o-cha recently hosted an online meeting to discuss the collaboration to solve PM 2.5 pollution with Sonexay,